At Vision Center PC, we have a professional, caring staff. Our team is committed to learning all the new lens technologies. In the optical industry, the new digital lenses have helped give each patient that wow experience. Wow, that I can really see. With the current technologies and training that our staff is committed to, we are passionate about serving each patient's needs, and we provide only the finest care. I grew up in a small town in central Iowa where I graduated from a high school class of 21 students. So that small town community is really what I was looking for when I came here to Muscatine. So Muscatine to me seems like a big city. Our goal at Vision Center is to provide a quality eye exam and service that is so unique that each patient is willing to refer their friends and family back to us. We are passionate about serving each patient's needs, and we provide only the finest care.